I am Amir Nir. I'm a painter from the north part of Israel. I have a school. I teach painting and drawing, and I also having a workshop abroad around the Mediterranean. And you're welcome to join one of our workshops. Today we are going to paint a few apples on the tree, and in a landscape it is a picture. And if you go outside, you can paint, but today I want to show you how to think about it, to give you some ideas to approach for watercolors. So let's begin. Here I have the drawing. I already prepared it before. And we start with the first wash. Wash, when we talk about wash in watercolor, we mean transparent, light layer. And let me fix it. Whatever I want to have this blue color, I put it on. Can leave some white spots for imitating the clouds. And if the leaves are dark and they will cover the light blue, I don't care to go over the leaves, and on top it will come the green and we'll cover it. So I make it a little bit darker here on top, just a little bit. I add more paint, not more water, more paint. So it goes inside the paper. Okay. We continue the light of the trees over there. There's a bleeding, which means the paint from the sky bleeds into the trees here. It's okay, I like it. I like I give depth to the painting. It is the first layer for the field over there. And as well what's going on here. You see I'm very light with the color, a lot of water. Watercolor is water with paint. This is not oil painting. So you want to use this idea of water, put in your mind that you don't move the paint, you put layer upon layer. You don't just move the paint. There's water, not any paste here. Let's put this yellow also here, and same here. This is a green and this is a red apple. I will keep it. Here also red. Put light green just to make it more interesting inside. Yellow leaves here. It will be, of course, will be darker. Maybe here a little bit blue. I didn't put a blue here. Okay, this yellow. So the first wash. If you want to leave white somewhere, the lightest light, okay, go ahead. But if not, you can just cover everything with the color of the light. Now the color of the light here, the lightest is yellow. On top will come some darker greens. So I cover it with the yellow. Okay, not bad, everything covered here. And we can go for the first layer over the apples. Now in this area I have some green yellow, and this area I have this red. Same here, a bit green yellow, some green yellow here, red here. So I will start with the yellow. Same, like I start with a light wash here and put some green in it, just to imitate what's going on in this area. Here, the green and the yellow, also yellow here, bring it over here, a little bit here, same here, this area. Let's see if you get the idea. It becomes very easy. So you see, everything is very light. Everything very light. Will be even lighter when it become dry. But we have plenty of room to make things darker. So you want to think about it this way. Alizarin crimson, a little bit carmine to make it interesting. So I want this area to be white. The way I show you, we call it a loose brush, which means I'm not really painting the drawing, but I'm trying to give enough room for the brush. Now, I don't like this hard edge here, so with a wet brush, just a little bit here, just to make it softer, like this. Okay. Second apple. Same idea. You see, I work with a very big brush, a lot of water. I like water. I like it to be this way. And it doesn't matter. The bleeding here, it doesn't matter. That makes a interesting texture here. And later on, we go with the darks. Same here. Let's have some light here. Don't have to do it fast. It's not about speed, but you don't want to work too hard to fill in the spot. Just make it as a nice spot. No brush strokes, no nothing here. No need. Another apple here. Soften it. Don't wait too much because it's going to be dry and you will work hard to make it softer. You see, just it's a transition, nice transition between light and dark. And the last one doesn't have so much light on it. And let's talk a little bit about the composition, because this is very important to understand what's going on. So first, we have the focal point. So this one is the focal point. Why this one focal point? Although this one is on top, but it's close to the edge. So we don't want to make this our subject, our main spot, because if it was important, we would put it in the center, like this one. So this is the first one that we want to look at. And then we want to go this way, and also we want to go this way and this way. So we got some kind of triangle. This one is this is a full shape. This is also cut. This is cut. This is a small one. So we have some different ideas about what we are painting. There's movement here in the this diagonal, this arc, and we want to think about it. I have the here. I want to put it here, and I like a little bit dark underneath. Same we have here. The branches. Same we have here, just to give some ideas. First wash what's going on. Afterwards I would work in here. So mainly this is the first layer, and the first layer, the first wash is going to be like this. By the way, it goes here. You see, it goes out of the line. We'll be okay. We work on the later on. We will fix it. Don't worry. If you try to fix too much while you paint with watercolor, you probably mess the painting. So let it dry and enjoy the mistake. So now I let it dry a few minutes, and once it's what we call bone dry, we're going on a second layer.